Welcome to the learning module in the Tourism Fundamentals Concepts to Practice series, From Visitor to Insights, Measuring Community Impact, which explores various data sources. This educational series introduces key concepts, theories, and practices in tourism and outdoor recreation through a collection of short videos, each offering an overview that can be watched individually or as part of a full series on the ITRR YouTube channel. We invite you to explore the topics at your own pace, and for more information, feel free to reach out or visit our website. We are the Institute for Tourism and Recreation Research, otherwise known as ITRR, established in 1987 at the University of Montana's W.A. Franke College of Forestry and Conservation, serving as Montana's trusted research arm for the tourism and recreation industries. Our mission is to conduct rigorous and impartial research that empowers the tourism and recreation industries in Montana to make informed decisions in planning, marketing, policy, and management. As part of the University of Montana, ITRR is committed to the highest academic integrity, ensuring transparency and excellence in all research efforts. Our work covers a wide range of priorities, including the economic impacts of non-resident travel, visitor characteristics and spending, social and environmental effects of tourism, and community tourism planning. We also dive into niche studies like stargazing, outfitting and guiding, and paleontology tourism, as well as publish the annual Travel and Recreation Outlook. Our data is available 24/7, 365 days a year, whether you're a business owner, a land manager, a community leader, part of a citizen group, or even a student working on a school project. We're here to support your work. At ITRR, we're proud to empower Montana's people and communities with the data and tools they need. This learning module covers how to measure tourism by exploring data sources, collection methods, and practical applications for community planning. Understanding who visits, when, how, and what they spend is essential for managing tourism's impact, maximizing its benefits, and guiding smart planning. Key data points include visitor numbers. We can track arrivals and departures, international, domestic, same day, using sources like Borda data, airline arrivals, hotel check-ins to reveal trends, seasonality, and market growth. Tourism spending measures how much visitors spend on lodging, food, and activities. Key to assessing tourism's economic contribution through tools like tourism satellite accounts and input-output models. Lodging metrics, hotel and campground data, occupancy rates, highlight demand, travel preferences, and investment opportunities. Transportation use, airport traffic, road counts, and transit data show how people move, uncovering infrastructure needs and informing sustainable mobility. Visitor profiles looks at surveys to reveal who tourists are, what they do, how satisfied they are, which shapes marketing and experience strategies. We can look at digital insights, which include mobile, credit card, and GPS data, offer real-time, high-volume behavioral trends, especially helpful in rural or hard-to-measure areas. And then we have sustainability indicators that tracks tourism's environmental footprint, from wastewater to emissions to trail use, ensuring growth aligns with ecological and community health. Both qualitative and quantitative data are essential to understanding tourism, but they serve different purposes and are collected in different ways. These slides outline the key differences between them. Qualitative data focuses on the human experience. It's about understanding why people travel, how they feel, and what meanings they attach to places. Examples might include a focus group asking, why did they choose this destination? Interviewing local residents about how tourism affects their sense of community. These methods provide rich detail and context, but the results are often not statistically generalizable. Qualitative data helps us explore underlying motivations, barriers, and perceptions that numbers alone can't explain. Quantitative data is about numbers and measurable facts. How many people visited, how much they spent, and when they traveled. It's collected through structured surveys with multiple choice questions, visitor counts at parks or attractions, hotel occupancy, and revenue data. Quantitative data is statistically analyzable, making it easy to identify trends, forecast demand, and justify funding. While it's less descriptive, it's great for big picture analysis and benchmarking over time. We often get asked which data is better. Neither are better, but both require and help tell the full story on its own. So quantitative data shows us the scale of tourism, while qualitative data helps us understand the meaning and impact behind those numbers. Ideally, we combine both to inform well-rounded community-responsive tourism strategies. So how does ITRR collect data and what's available for you? ITRR has conducted consistent year-round visitor data since July of 2009 to track tourism trends across Montana. Our method uses a scientifically grounded approach to collect non-resident travel data, ensuring results are representative, reliable, and actionable. We employ random sampling techniques to ensure that all types of visitors have an equal chance of being surveyed. Using a two-part survey process, visitors are first approached in person to complete a brief iPad survey at high-traffic neutral locations like gas stations, rest areas, and airports. They are then invited to complete a follow-up mail-back survey that gathers more detailed information about their travel group and trip. This helps produce results that reflect the broader population of non-resident travelers to Montana. Using a two-part survey process, after visitors are approached, we are able to get these surveys mailed back and get a lot of detail about their experiences, their satisfaction, and where they visited. This is all available on our website and can be filtered. We have 10 trained surveyors that operate across 9 distinct regions in Montana, representing over 65 communities. Each surveyor works part-time, providing broad geographic and seasonal coverage. To ensure unbiased sampling, survey times and days are rotated, and every travel group, usually one per vehicle, is counted using proportion counts to distinguish between residents and non-residents. This strategic approach allows ITRR to accurately report key tourism metrics, such as average daily group expenditures, and gain a deeper understanding of who visits Montana, why they come, how they travel, and this will be explained in more detail as we go through the modules. As a reminder for Module 2, there are a wide range of visitors with a varied purpose and spending habits in Montana. When we look at the visitor, we have different aspects of them. One could be what we call a non-resident leisure traveler, vacationers seeking recreation, sightseeing, and outdoor adventures. We have a business traveler attending meetings or conventions or doing energy or construction work in the state. We have Montana natives coming, former residents visiting family or reconnecting with their roots. We have travelers that pass through. This is an important part of our economy, and we would call them road trippers, that they stop briefly but often stay overnight and contribute to rural areas. And then we have in-state travelers, which are Montanans exploring their own state through local events, gateway communities, and recreation year-round. When we get a broad overview of the different type of free data sources available to you, we are going to cover state sources as well as national sources. There are a variety of data sources that can help inform tourism and recreation planning in Montana. ITRR provides comprehensive data through non-resident travel surveys, economic impact reports, resident attitude studies, trail research that is accessible to you anytime on the website. The Montana Department of Commerce's Office of Tourism and Business Development offers marketing insights, strategic plans, grants, and visitor trend data. Montana Fish, Wildlife, and Parks supplies valuable information on park visitation, recreation permits, wildlife, trail use, including detailed data from the Montana State Parks. For business and economic planning, the Montana Department of Labor and Industry provides labor market stats and workforce projections. The Census and Economic Information Center, also within the Department of Commerce, delivers data on population, commuting, and business trends. Additionally, the Montana Department of Revenue offers tax and licensing data that illuminate regional economic activity, while the Montana Department of Transportation provides travel data, traffic counts, and airport usage insights relevant to tourism infrastructure. You can find these sources on the one-page information sheet that accompanies each one of these learning modules. Tourism and recreation data at the national level are supported by a range of federal agencies and industry organizations. The National Travel and Tourism Office within the U.S. Department of Commerce provides comprehensive data on inbound and outbound travel, international visitor surveys, and global market insights. The U.S. Travel Association offers economic impact analysis, travel trends, and forecasts, though some content is restricted to members. The National Park Service compiles detailed visitor use statistics for all national parks, highlighting recreation patterns and long-term trends. You can access this off their website and actually see all of our 6 national park sites in Montana monthly, how many people visit. Recreation.gov contributes booking and usage data for federal recreation areas, helping to gauge demand and visitor behaviors. The Outdoor Industry Association tracks the national outdoor recreation economy and consumer behavior related to outdoor recreation activities and gear. For broader business and economic planning, the U.S. Census Bureau offers rich data through the Economic Census and American Community Survey, while the Bureau of Economic Analysis provides industry-level GDP data and tourism satellite accounts. Labor trends, employment figures, and sector-specific wages are available from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Additionally, the Small Business Administration supplies insights into entrepreneurship and financial support relevant to tourism, and the Federal Reserve's FRED platform aggregates key economic indicators, including travel-related spending and regional activity. It's important that we understand when we get this data at the federal or the state level that we cite it. One of the main reasons is that credible and accurate data ensures that it's verifiable, it's transparent, it's open, it shows respect for the work of trusted sources, and it supports consistency for clear, reliable decision making. Often that you will see most of these data sources are funded by taxpayer dollars in various ways. By letting people know where the data comes from, it continues to fund these research efforts and helps us make data-informed decisions. Beyond our statewide research program that provides insights supported through the lodging facility tax, ITRRR offers customized fee-for-service projects tailored to your community or organization's needs. These services help communities, DMOs, agencies, and stakeholders make informed data decisions based on localized tourism insights. We provide detailed tourism metrics from a wide range of type of research that helps you have these ongoing tools, sentiment tracking, and post-event surveys to help communities adapt and refine tourism strategies in real time. Our goal is to empower you with the data and tools needed to manage tourism sustainability strategically so it supports both visitors and the people who call Montana home. Thank you for joining us for the module, Tourism Fundamentals, Concepts to Practice, From Visitors to Insights, Measuring Community Impact. We hope this overview has laid a solid groundwork for understanding the key concepts involving the dynamics of tourism and outdoor recreation, specifically to research and data collection. As you move through the rest of the series, keep in mind that these modules are crafted to foster community learning, promote sustainable planning, and inspire the application of these insights to build thoughtful, resilient tourism strategies. Explore each topic at your own pace on the ITR YouTube channel and discover more tools and insights on our website.